Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in today's daily guitar tip, we're going to be taking a look at using some chromatics in our pentatonic scale. All right, so we all know our main basic pentatonic minor position 1 pentatonic scale here. Everybody knows that, right? So what I think is fun to do is, especially if it's kind of like a minor bluesy type of jam, is just start connecting the dots. I typically, like if it's a minor third spread here, I typically don't want to go. I think that's almost too far to go. But any spot where it's a whole step apart, like from 4 to 5 here in the scale, I love to just walk up. So you can walk up between, and you can also walk down. And believe it or not, you can usually get away with this if you do it quick enough. It usually sounds pretty cool. It's not going to work in every situation. So if you're doing something like this, just playing an A minor chord, and just start to experiment. Just start connecting the dots, walking down, walk it up. You'll find that it generally sounds pretty fun. I also, instead of doing only this position here, I like to go down here, kind of down into what's actually like A minor 5th position here, but we're playing the notes A, G, which is part of a A minor pentatonic. You're playing G and A and C and D. So you have these. These are the pentatonic notes, and if I connect them chromatically. That was pretty sloppy, but I think you get the idea. Is just have some fun anywhere, like up here in the blues box. Here's your A minor blues box. These 4 notes. So just have some fun and connect them. I think that was more of what I was going for. So you can do that, I'm just doing this in A minor position 1, but you can do it all over the neck. Any spot you have the pentatonic where they're just a whole step apart or 2 frets apart, just try connecting them. Like I said, it's not always going to sound great or right, but most of the time it's going to sound pretty fun, especially if it's bluesy, rock, more up-tempo, kind of funky. You can get away with a lot of stuff if you play it pretty quick. And I think as soon as you start to do it, you can already start to hear Jimi Hendrix pretty quickly, just going. You can hear very quickly and feel that he was doing a lot of that as well. So that was my quick daily guitar tip today. Just start throwing in some chromatics in your pentatonics and just have some fun with it. Make some noise. If you're experimenting, if you're doing it live, you may not always want to do it because it may not work, but really practice it and find some sweet spots on the guitar in the pentatonic scale that are going to work so you can do it live. If you like this lesson and you want to see more, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you see more lessons, and I will see you in the next daily guitar tip.